Hello friends, welcome back to Kim Pins. And if you're new to Kim Pins, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. Here on Kim Pins, we do a bunch of different stuff. We do crafts, like today. We do video games. We do unboxings. So check out all that fun stuff here on the channel. Subscribe. There is something for everyone. So today on Kim Pins, we are going to be doing a craft. I'm doing this, let me just insert a picture. I think it's easier to see it rather than have me explain. It's like a dried flower holder for the wall. So we've got our hoop. And instead of wooden beads, because I was having some trouble finding some wooden beads in store, I've got these big pearls. And I had bought these for my pearl covered ornament. If you want to see that video, that's up here from Holiday Time 2020. And these, you can probably tell because they're huge. These were way too big for that craft, and I was buying everything online, so I didn't really think about the size that I was buying. Classic mistake, right? So I'm going to use these because I have them and because I couldn't find the wooden beads. I had these floral hoops. These were supposed to be for my wedding that got pared down and pared down and pared down. So if you want to see the story of that, that's up here with our resin coasters. And again, apologies about the microphone today. Again, I'm just trying to get good audio. Sometimes sacrifices must be made. So we are going to essentially just glue all these pearl beads in a line across the hoop. Now, what I'm doing that's a little bit different from the pin that I have linked below, I have my E6000 glue because I think it's going to work a little bit better than the hot glue based on my experience with these plastic beads and hot glue. And I've got just these wooden skewers to just kind of hold my beads where I want them to go in a line, because I know me. And if I try to do this without a guide, my line's gonna be like, and yeah. So I measured this out so I would have enough beads to go from side to side, but I don't remember exactly where that was. So we're just gonna place these. Okay, I think about here touches all the sides. Ooh, gonna get my tape and tape down these dowels because I also know me and I will knock them out of place. All right, and now what we're gonna do is just glue these across. So we want the hole in for the threading of the bead, that's pointing up so that you can stick the flower through it. Okay, and there we have everything glued. Very good choice on the dowels for me. Really helped them stay all in place. So this glue, y'all know, we need 24 to 72 hours for this to dry. So I'm gonna let this dry and come back tomorrow to wrap it up, give our rating, let you know what I thought about it, because at this point, I'm a fan, but who knows if this is actually going to stay together. That's my biggest concern. I think the beads will stay glued together, no problem, but whether or not the beads will stay glued to the hoop, that's my question at this point. So I will see y'all very soon.
And we're back. Here it is. Ooh. Full disclosure, it's been a few weeks since I started this. So I let it dry. I put some flowers in there. Here we are. New camera. If y'all can tell that the quality is a little different, that's why. So yeah, here is our hoop flower holder. All finished. I like it. Like I said, I've had this up for a few weeks now. Big fan. These are some of my dried wedding flowers, so I get to display those. And rating. Okay. Likability. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. I really like this one. And I like that even though the pin I'm gonna link below had the wooden beads, they were varied sizes, they were spray painting. I like this was easier, and these were all things that I had. So points all around. Ease of following instructions. I felt it was pretty easy because it was just a video and it was like boop, boop, boop. But I do think their instructions could have been a little bit better. We used the dowel trick here, which panned out great. What I also probably should have done was get some toothpicks so that the hole that's in the bead could be straight up, because some of them are kind of a little wonky. So that's another thing that I would do to improve it. So I'm gonna give them a 4. Not because their instructions were difficult for me, but because I feel like their instructions could have been better. Cost. 5 out of 5, again, because I had all of this. But if you're doing it with the wooden beads, those can be a little pricey. And I think the flower hoops are $2. So not too bad. Should you make it versus should you buy it? You should totally make it. Oh, I also changed up the instructions and did the E6000 glue, which has been really great. If you're using plastic beads, definitely go with the E6000. So there you have it, our little home decor. Definitely make it. Super easy, very cute. Oh, I changed up a bunch of stuff about this. They also did more along like the center with their line, but I just scooched it down to fit the right number of beads across. So that's this week's video. Also, this shirt, Texas Chainsaw Massacre, was filmed outside of Austin, and they have the gas station still there. So that's why I'm wearing a gas station t-shirt, if you're wondering. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try this one, it was definitely fun. And if you like this video, like this video. If you didn't like this video, and subscribe for more content. We got something for everybody. You don't want to miss out on any of it because it all has me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!